Can you see? It's not shining because the stuff is down. What the guys think? Okay. Okay, let me show you the difference. This. Let's do this. Sorry. Let's make oil. We're not gonna do a lot, but we will. But let's just make the oil and test it. We're gonna test it. Remember we finished oil yesterday. So you guys been asking me what's the oil, what do you use, and what do you put? This, that. So I bring this to you today and say let us make the oil together, and then we try it on my body and see if we need to add more, we put more. Okay? There's not much space for it, but let's see. And I brought my perfume. No, my oil perfume of yesterday, because I want to add it inside the oil for the scent. Oh my goodness. And it's sealed. One of my nails is broken, so I use this. Holy cow. Okay guys, see. I don't know why I always forget that they put the opener here. Now, we used this last time for the last oil. I think I'm going to use this something white. You know what I mean? Bam, bam, bombay, bam, bam. Some of this was silted. So this one we're using. The oil is a lot, so I think we're going to use 2 because it's full bottle. So how you guys doing? Oops, the oil has poured on my hand. Oops, it's too full. Look, hey, can you guys see? You see the inside of it? Amazing. Because we have to shake it. Should I put the? Okay, let's put everything together. Let's put the perfume oil together. Oops, I don't want this to fall. I'm so excited. Okay. Oops. One. This is nice. This baccarat, I believe some of you know this perfume, and this is vanilla Kayali. Let's just say this vanilla 28. I want it full. Okay. I don't want to break anything or pour need to wait, what? I need to cover all this bag. Lace. Lace. Because I value them, I don't want them to break. Cover it. Shaking! Oops! Is the oil on? Why is the oil coming out? Look! Can you see? It's so fine! But it's leaking. You see? And it's not mixing right. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys can see my skin. It's shining. Look, can you see that? But you see, down here is not mixing. I feel like I put too much. Oh shit. Well, let's test it on it. Let's try it. No, it's not. I covered it well, but it's leaking. Let's try it on this stomach. I'm not impressed. It's not coming. Oh my goodness. It sticks on the bottle and it refuses to mix with the oil. But we're still gonna use it like that. Yeah, I have no choice. Bye-bye. The oil is ready. Tomorrow we massage and clap.